Now I'm going to explain how to start online exam of BOSS. Just before starting exam, we will add all the students appearing for BOSS examination in a WhatsApp group where everything, I mean the link of examination and the answers of the examination will be shared. Where? In BOSS exam help group where all students will be added in time. So now let me show how to start BOSS online examination. Because before starting online examination every day, before starting of examination, I mean 10 minutes or 20 minutes before of starting examination, we will share the link, this kind of link, day to day, every day to day, according to the admit card of students. This link will be shared, and along with this link, we will also share the pass key, this kind of pass key which will be required to uh, log into the examination windows, examination screen, or start examination. And student, and what kind of screen will appear when we click on the examination link. Just let me show. It's a examination link. Then let me click on the link. At the link, click. Then new examination window will be shown on the will appear on the screen. Here you have to enter a registration number, followed by date of birth of every student, of each students who are appearing in this examination, and then pass key. There should be a pass key. Where the pass key? Where can the pass key found? Here is the pass key found, and pass key will be separate for for each of the examination, which will be shared every day, every time of before examination in the WhatsApp group of the students. Students will get uh, link and pass key every time before 10 minutes before of starting examination. So how to open this kind this and screen, and then after inputting, after entering the my registration number, date of birth, followed by pass key, student to click on the start assessment. Then after clicking start assessment, assessment will start, will begin. Okay. Then exam student where student can get the answers. Question will be shown in their examination window in their respective login in laptop or smartphone of the students. And examination, here you can see the multiple there are two sections in examination panel. One is section A, which consists of multiple choice questions, and another is section B, which consists of, or which is composed of descriptive questions. I mean written questions and written answers and written questions. And for section A, section E is for multiple choice question. There should be nothing to write, just only to select multiple choice question, MCQ type of questions. Here MCQ types of questions. Here you can here do 29. There is a 29. There is a four. There are four options of 29th number questions and 30 number questions. Every MCQ questions will have four options that you have to select A, B, C, or D. And which will be the correct answer? Correct answer will be shown here. Will be shared in the group just immediate after beginning the examination. Here you can see the number one. Here you can see the number one. Answer one of question answer is A of question number one, belonging to section A. I mean MCQ question, and there is and there is answer B of question two. Then student will have to select. Students will have to select number B in their uh, in their question patterns of number two questions. Students has to select option B against question number two. So question number 2 will have only one answer, B. Just have to select the option B. So this kind of answers will be shared in this examination help group. Student easily get it. So here there are some I'm giving some example that the option C will be selected against the question number 1. Option B will be selected. Option B will be selected against question number 10. uh, Option A is should be selected against question number 11. These are right questions. Just they have to select the question number uh, according to the answers given, answers shared on this WhatsApp group. Then now let me come to the section B, where descriptive, where the descriptive or written kind of written types of exam questions and answer will be found. Here the example of 31, the written type of questions is starting from 31 number. There is a two options, A or B. Will attempt only one. Then I am sharing that. Let me know, let me show you 31 numbers here. What is the question of 31 numbers? A, it's a written number. You have to write on the white page, A4 page, and after writing it, this written exam, you have to take the photo and you have to upload in written examination. Okay. Then what is the a 31 number of 31 number of a number of a number of I mean the 31 option A. The question is, what do you mean by database management system? Write some keys in a national data in relational database. So what is the question is shared here? Just against 31A, you have to write this answer on your on your white page, any casual white was A4 size Xerox page, white page. Then you have to take photo and you have to upload your written exam, written answers. So this kind of, after this, all the questions of section B belong to written type of question, and that should be, and written answers to be written in your white page or A4 type of page. So I think it is not it is not, it will not be any great issue or any serious issue for you, simple issue. And during the examination we will provide all kind of support to the students and to the centers all over India for the students and centers who are under our network. Okay, thank you.